Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering exact ingredients. 2 heads romaine, 1/2 cup grated parmesan, 2 cups croutons, and 6 anchovy fillets, plus 1 clove garlic, 1 egg yolk, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tsp Dijon, 1 tsp Worcestershire, 1/3 cup extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 tsp salt, and 1/4 tsp black pepper. Rinse and dry romaine thoroughly, then tear it into bite-sized pieces and chill briefly. Mince the garlic finely and drain and chop the anchovies. Keep everything ready for a smooth, quick assembly step. To make a stable, flavorful dressing, finely chop the 6 anchovy fillets and place them with 1 clove minced garlic in a bowl. Add 1 egg yolk, then whisk vigorously until roughly emulsified. Stir in 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tsp Dijon, and 1 tsp Worcestershire, then stream 1/3 cup extra virgin olive oil while continuously whisking to form a creamy emulsion. Season with 1/4 tsp salt and 1/4 tsp black pepper and taste, adding more lemon or an extra anchovy for a brighter or saltier profile as needed. Assemble the salad by placing the chilled, torn romaine in a large bowl. Add a few tablespoons of the prepared dressing and toss gently. Continue adding until the leaves are evenly but lightly coated. Use only enough to avoid wilting. Sprinkle 1/2 cup grated parmesan and 2 cups croutons, then give one final gentle toss. Serve immediately on chilled plates, optionally topping with extra anchovy fillets or lemon wedges for added acidity. Store any leftover dressing in an airtight container for up to 48 hours refrigerated. Discard if it contains raw egg beyond that time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.